In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone on Bitbucket. This is a crucial skill if you're working in a collaborative environment or managing version control for your projects. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to effortlessly clone a repository using Bitbucket and SourceTree. First things first, let's start by navigating to your Bitbucket page. Once you're on the page of the repository that you want to clone, look for the Clone button. This is typically found in the top right area of the repository toolbar. Clicking this button is the first step in the cloning process, and it's what will allow you to copy the entire repository onto your local machine, so you can work on it independently. When you click Clone, a dialog box will appear. This dialog box presents you with several options, but to keep things streamlined, we're going to focus on using SourceTree, a popular graphical interface for Git. In the dialog, you'll see an option that says Clone in SourceTree. Go ahead and click that. By choosing this option, you open SourceTree, which automatically starts to set things up for you. Now that you're in SourceTree, you'll see a field labeled Destination Path. This is the location on your local system where the repository will be stored. It's like deciding where to save a downloaded file on your computer. You can either accept the default path provided by SourceTree, or you can customize it to store the repository in a location that works best for you, perhaps in a specific folder dedicated to your projects. Remember, choosing a logical destination path can help keep your work organized, making it easier to locate your projects later on. Next is the bookmark name. This is the name that SourceTree uses to identify your cloned repository. It's helpful to customize this with a name that is easily recognizable, especially if you manage multiple projects. A clear and descriptive bookmark name will save you time when you're navigating through your projects list in SourceTree. Lastly, once you're satisfied with the destination path and bookmark name, it's as simple as clicking the Clone button. At this point, SourceTree takes the reins, handling the cloning process behind the scenes. It'll download the repository data and set up a local version on your computer. Now, you'll be ready to start coding or reviewing the codebase right away. With that, you've successfully cloned a repository from Bitbucket using SourceTree. This new setup allows you to work locally, experiment with changes, and seamlessly manage your workflow within version control. Cloning is just one of the many useful features of Bitbucket and SourceTree. Now that you know how to do it, you're all set to dive into your projects with confidence. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.